So, hi everyone, this is my banknote authentication project, and this is a pretty basic project. I have built it using Fast API, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, um, I created this Fast API app.py. In this my app.py file, it has a reference to this banknotes.py, which will be taking these input values, float input values, and this base model, pydantic. I've imported base model, and this will be taking some values, variance, skewness, kurtosis, and entropy. So these are the parameters that I've used for authenticating my bank notes. Next, moving on to app.py. App.py will be, first of all, I've rendered a template known as index.html, such that when the user starts the server, an index.html file will be the first file that the user will find on his screen. Then this route, predict route, will basically send the data to back to my Fast API server, according in a dictionary format, and wherein next in my JavaScript file, it will be basically sent as a in a JSON format, like this, and it will send this data to the predict route, and then it'll, if the response by the Fast API server is okay, then it'll display the output in a different div that I've created here, output. And yeah, so that's basically it. Next, I have already created the model in a Jupyter notebook. Pretty basic handling of the columns. No such computation or refinement in this data set was required, since this data set was not imbalanced. So moving on to how this um, file would look like. Okay, so let me first start by running my server. So as you can see, my server, let me just once again check that if it's recording or not. Um, yeah, so it was okay. So this is how basically the home page would look like at this port. So let me just enter some random values. See, prediction, it's a banknote. Basically, further, the future of this project would be that since it is on a Fast API backend, it could be converted to an API, which many people can use, and it can be even integrated in retail systems, so that whenever there's exchange of money, or there's no online payment, it's just exchange of currency, the retailer can check, or the person at the counter can check whether these banknotes or normal currency that has been given is a proper real note or not. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.